Do you like to know how to create a dim date table in DAX using ChatGPT? Don't miss this tutorial. Hello everyone, Shab is back with another interesting video. And today I'm going to teach you how you can get help from ChatGPT to create a dim date or calendar table using DAX in Power BI. And if it's the first time you're watching my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get a notification for the new upcoming videos. Stay tuned. If you are interested to know how to create a dim date table, please check my channel and you will find different methods to create this calendar table in Power BI. But today I will show you how you can create it using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI the first time in November 2022. GPT models are designed for natural language understanding and generation tasks. They are trained on large datasets of text from the internet, which allows them to generate human-like text and answer questions across a wide range of topics. The first thing I am doing is opening Google and then search for ChatGPT. Then you can see this OpenAI link here. If it's the first time you're using it, please create an account. Otherwise, log in from here. When logged in, there are a couple of tools available here for you to use. Simply click on ChatGPT on left to open this page. Now you can easily ask any question here, and this AI tool will answer you. These days, many developers and managers are using ChatGPT a lot. However, it still makes lots of mistakes, and when you get the codes, you will receive errors in Power BI. Today, I will show you how to get the required code and resolve the issues to have a dim date table. So, in the first step, I write, create a complete dim date table with full columns in DAX for Power BI. Then you can see it starts generating some text and codes for you. When finished, you can see the required code here in this box. As you can see, there is a button available here to copy the code. I just press it to copy the generated code. Now I open Power BI Desktop. And from the Modeling tab, I choose New Table. Here is where I can paste the copied code to create a dim date table in Power BI. When I paste the code, you can see Power BI automatically use red underlines when there is an issue in your code. If I press on this tick mark, you can see Power BI shows us we have error in our code. So let's read the error and fix it. First, it says the year column cannot be found. As you can see here, we used the year column 3 times here. And you can see how this column created it here in this line. But we are creating all these tables at once. If we want to use a column, it should be created earlier. So, here the solution is easily copying the code in front of the year column and replace this value with year column names which have error in the code. Easy peasy. Now we can't see any red underline here, but we still have the same issue for day of month. Using the same process, I just copy the code for this column and replace this value here. Now you can see there isn't any other red underlines. And the code should work properly. But if I apply the changes, you can see Power BI still gives error. The error shows us the add column function cannot add a date column. As you can see in this line, the code generated a date column for us. But how this add column function works is when combining with calendar function here in this line, automatically creates a date column for us. So this second date column is a duplication, and we have to remove this line. Now if I apply the changes, you can see our dim date table created without any error. To change the start date and end date in your dim date, you can easily change these values. The first date value specifies the start date, and the second one is for the end date. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it, and subscribe to the channel to get the notification for the new upcoming videos. Have a good day, all Power BI lovers.